So, my name is Daryl James Piliogo Francia, and my course is Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. In short, BSMT. I am currently third year student, and my section is 3B2. Choosing to pursue a maritime course is a decision rooted combination of personal interests, career, aspiration, and unique opportunities the maritime industry can offer. Maritime course is considered one of the toughest field where your mental toughness as well as my physical capability is tested. I have chosen maritime course because this field offers a lot of opportunities to explore the outer world and provide a lot of experience which will make me strong and independent. This field offers one of the highest salary among the Philippines. This allows me to interact with different communities or people across the world and travel for free. And will learn lessons of tolerance and how to deal with a given situation. This course is not for everyone. If you're really strong, then go for it. Otherwise, a single mistake of yours can cause you losing your life. I may have to spend months in sailing away from my home, and I am happy with my decision pursuing this maritime course. I can show respect to others in this class or everyone by active listening. Or example of active listening is pay close attention with your classmates or teachers are speaking and give them respect while they are talking to you in front of you. And my second example is respecting personal space. So personal space, be mindful of your classmate personal space and belongings. Avoid unnecessary physical contact and always ask for permission before borrowing items for them. And last one is offering help. If you notice a classmate struggling of their academics, and then offer assistance or guidance. This fosters a supportive community and show empathy and respect for others in challenges. So, in 5 years from now, I envision myself as a second mate, not a captain, because a captain is 10 years or 20 years from now. A role that signifies second mate is advancement in my maritime career. To achieve this goal, I plan to complete the necessary maritime education and training, including obtaining the required certification in sea time. This preparation will equip me with the skills and knowledge needed to manage navigational responsibilities and effectively. I am I aim to contribute to the safe and efficient operation of our vessel, ensuring the well-being of the crew and in the successful completion of our voyage. And that's all. Thank you for listening and watching for my video.